In this topic, we will look at the quality theme. Last week, we looked at the plans theme. This week, we are looking at the quality theme and the risk theme. Why do we care about quality in a project? What are we looking at with the quality theme? We are looking at the project as a whole. Not only at the project as a whole, but looking at what products are being delivered by the project and identifying how they will be created and verified to ensure that they are fit for purpose. At this point, I would encourage you to watch this video, which gives you a succinct overview of the quality theme in Prince 2. What is project quality according to the Prince 2 manual definition? Well, there are a number of different things that need to be considered in terms of quality. We need to look at things such as the features and the characteristics of a product, person, process, service, and/or system, and determine whether it meets the expectations, needs, requirements, or specifications that have been stated. There are also different quality standards that need to be met and other definitions of quality. We have the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, that defines quality as the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirements. Other experts define quality based on conformance to requirements and fitness for use. Who is responsible for quality? Obviously everybody, because everybody that works on a project is responsible for the quality of the work they produce. But ultimately it's the project manager that's responsible for the quality management of their projects. Several organizations and references can be used to assist project managers and their teams to understand what is meant by quality. Examples include the International Organization for Standardization and IEEE. Here are 4 examples of things that may go wrong if quality hasn't been adhered to. The impacts can be quite significant, severe, detrimental, or even fatal in some cases. In the first example, 2 hospital patients died in 1986 after receiving fatal doses of radiation after a software problem caused the administering machine to ignore calibration data. In the second example, one of the biggest software errors in banking history occurred when Chemical Bank mistakenly deducted about $15 million from more than 100,000 customer accounts. The third and fourth examples also had a number of impacts. How can we improve project quality for IT projects or any projects for that matter? Here are a number of suggestions. We can establish leadership that promotes quality and understand the cost of quality. Cost doesn't necessarily mean dollars. It could be the cost to infrastructure. It could be the cost to human lives. So the cost can relate to a number of resourcing factors that can have an impact on the project. We need to think about organizational influences and workplace factors that affect quality. Are things happening within the organization or in the workplace that can affect the quality of a project, and can those particular factors and influences be alleviated? There are also some models that people follow to ensure that quality standards are being met. How do we manage quality? Firstly, it's important to initially understand that quality is really important for any project. In particular, IT projects, because if the product doesn't do what it's supposed to do, or there are flaws in an IT software package, it's not going to achieve the goals of what the customer wants. Then you'll be forever fixing bugs and fixing problems, and therefore causing delays and cost overruns. Project quality management ensures that the project will satisfy the needs for which it was undertaken. The processes in project quality management include planning quality management, performing quality control, and performing quality assurance. Quality planning requires some upfront preparation. We need to make some decisions at the beginning of a project to agree on quality targets, how performance will be measured, and who is responsible for producing, testing, and verifying that products are fit for purpose and have met the quality criteria that have been specified by the customer. Controlling a project is essential in understanding where a project is at and how things are being monitored and checked. The same principle applies to quality. Quality must be controlled, and this can be done by several activities that are carried out during a project to regulate quality. Supporting records must also be maintained to show what aspects of quality are being tested for, as well as the resulting outcomes of quality checks. Quality assurance is the responsibility of the wider organisation and is independent of the project management team.